is an art form that was created by the Africans in Brazil during the slavery time. It was born in a very delicate, inhumane situations which the Africans in Brazil were exposed to, where it was brought as a tool of liberation. Capoeira came from the people to the people. This pain, this history, this celebration, this pride in this art form.
I've done boxing, I've done jiu-jitsu. The Brazilian influence that is in capoeira is so special.
I think capoeira is beautiful. It's like dancing, it has music. I do a lot of martial art, and among all the martial art I know, capoeira for me is the coolest.
Jen, I started capoeira with the age of 13. I've been doing capoeira for over 25, 27 years. I came to this country 20 years ago. Then I began teaching capoeira at the studio downtown Santa Barbara. Then I have a lot of students come from UCSB to the class for me. Then somebody have an invitation for me to begin the class through the Gaucho-Rec program. So I started the class as a recreation program, and then I moved to the academic program with the ESS program as well.
Mariano's energy was so intoxicating and wonderful. It's not just capoeira, it's not just dancing, it's not just fighting, it's your whole life is transformed by it.
Students come to my class, they want to just learn self-defense. Capoeira class is great for them. They just want to meet friends. Capoeira is just good for them. They want to know about history. Capoeira is good for them, full of history. They don't have money to pay for the class. Come to the capoeira class. We do celebration, we do dancing, we do Brazil trip. It's all about the community. It's not just about the art form itself, but how can you go about to your inner person and bring your inner person out and have the power to bring the people together, right? Black, white, multiple races of the people getting together in the same class. Capoeira is for everyone of the social class, body, size, and shape.
There's an extensive community all over the world. It's like a really nice exchange of learning from one another.
I feel myself really valuable when I'm in the community.
Because Mr. Mariano, he teaches you how to be yourself. You don't have to change to play capoeira.
When I was my lifestyle, I cannot see myself not doing capoeira.